Welcome to Google Classroom for students. A tutorial for beginners. First, sign in on your Google account. After that, click Google Apps. This is located at the upper right corner of the page. Once clicked, it will look like this. Find Classroom and click it. Take note that usually, the Classroom is located at the bottom of the list. Just scroll down to find it and drag it upwards so you won't waste time scrolling again to find it. Another option is typing classroom.google.com at the search bar. Click Enter. Both options will take you to this page. Make sure that you are signing in on your own account before clicking Continue. You are now on Google Classroom. To join a class, click on the plus sign at the upper right side and choose Join Class. Input the class code given by your teacher. Always make sure that the code is correct so that you won't encounter any problem. Once you get the code, click Join. You have now joined a class. Make sure it is the right one. You can see three main tabs in the middle which are essential for accessing items in your class. These are the Stream, Classworks, and People tab. Let me explain each of them one by one. The Stream tab is where students can view and access announcements, assignments, discussion topics, and comments. If enabled by the teacher, students can also add posts and leave comments. You can also see all your upcoming works that are due soon here on the Stream tab. In our example, you can see that the teacher already uploaded some stuff that the student can view or access. Let us try to comment on the first announcement made by the teacher. There you go, we posted a comment. Just be reminded that class comments are viewable by the teacher and all students in the class, so make sure to write appropriately. The Classwork tab is where you can view, access and do the assignments, quizzes, materials and other resources that the teacher had posted. In here you can find the Google Calendar which reminds you of your upcoming activities in order for you to know what to do next. And the Class Drive folders which shows all files that have been uploaded by the teacher which is automatically added here. Once you view your assignments, it will look like this. Add your answers by clicking the Add or Create button. It can be a file, link, Drive file or you can create your own document. After that, do not forget to turn in your assignments so the teacher can see your work. Your work has been turned in. The teacher will then be able to grade your work. Lastly, the People tab shows who are the people that are inside or have been added to the classroom. That's it. You are now ready to explore Google Classroom. Congratulations and let us all continue to learn.